Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install GNU Octave software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type download Octave and press enter. You'll get this first link. This is the official website to download Octave, that is octave.org. If you're not able to see this page, you can click on the download button over here. You will be redirected to this page. Now over here you can see the Octave 11.1. It's the latest version available, and it is available for Linux, BSD, Mac OS, and Microsoft Windows. So we'll download for Microsoft Windows. Click on it. Over here you will get to see the links to download for 64-bit Windows. Select on this first link. This will start download of the setup file. So GNU Octave, it is a free open source programming environment mainly used for numerical computations, mathematics, and scientific programming. It is very similar to MATLAB, and most MATLAB scripts can run in Octave. Once the setup is downloaded, you need to click on open. I will minimize this web browser. If you get the screen Windows protected your PC, click on more info. Then click on run anyway. Installation setup has started. You need to click on next. Then click on next. Install for anyone using this computer. Click on next. Create desktop shortcuts. Keep this checked. I'll go with the default settings. Then click on next. This is the destination folder where the software will get installed. If you want, you can change. I'll go with the default settings. Click on install. So installation is completed now. We'll click on finish, and this will run the GNU Octave software. On launch of the software, you'll get this welcome screen. Welcome to Octave. Click on next. You need to select this, allow Octave to connect to Octave website. Click on next. Then click on finish. This is how the interface of Octave software looks. On the left side, you get file browser, workspace, command history, and over here it's command window. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.